Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
To make this a paranormal reality show and tell the story. In a way, it's a story. It's a story about these haunted places. In India, we have a lot of haunted places. So we've chosen Uttarakhand.
Yes.
And we are going there to seek, to understand, and to investigate कि क्या सच्चाई है. In the paranormal world, there's a process. There are gadgets.
Okay.
There's a methodology. There are devices.
Correct.
And there's a functioning of
Okay.
being to get into this. So
Bilkul.
all together mixed up, like all kind of combined together makes MTV Dark Scrolls special. More than that, मेरे हमेशा ये ख्याल रहा है कि is there life after that?
Okay.
I'm one of those people. ये ऐसी जगह है जहाँ सुबह देवता जागते हैं और रात को राक्षस. So now I've realized while being on this show is that entities need energy to manifest.
Well, क्यों होता है प्यार इनसे ऑडियंसेस को इसका एक छोटा किस्सा मैं आपको बताती हूँ. I was supposed to meet him during Duranga season 2, but unfortunately we got stuck somewhere else. And my colleague Aishwarya, which was her first interview उनके career का, she came to meet him. And oh boy, the man he is. He made the crew clap for her because it was her first interview, and that has inspired her. And how let's have some sawad with Amit Saad here in conversation with me on India Forums. How are you doing?
I'm very good, and I remember Aishwarya.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, how is she doing?
She is absolutely good, sir. उसके बाद से 2 दिन तक पूरे ऑफिस में चिल्ला के बस बता रही थी कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ इंटरव्यू में, कितने लोगों ने तालियां बजाई, कितना.
I remember her. Very sweet person. Very.
And thanks to you that you inspired her so much.
I mean, it's like we need to acknowledge each other in life.
काश मेरे पहले इंटरव्यू के टाइम
मैं आज ताली बजवा देता हूँ.
Well, getting started with MTV Dark Scroll, रियलिटी शोज कई देखे हैं हमने, हॉरर शोज भी कई सारे देखे हैं हमने, बट दिस लुक्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. आई वुड वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू क्या अलग होगा इस शो में कंपेयर टू द अदर रियलिटी शोज.
So first of all, I want to thank you for bifurcating horror and understanding that this is something different.
Yes.
So I'm very glad. So horror is a genre. Movie horror होती है, horror comedy होती है.
Correct.
And which is great. We love those films. We go and watch. This is a paranormal reality show.
बिल्कुल.
And you can definitely, if you want to talk about genre, you can say कि reality quotient is the genre. Because reality TV can be called a genre.
Correct.
And I want to compliment the writers, the creators, the studio, that how they've used the reality quotient
जी.
to make this a paranormal reality show and tell the story. In a way, it's a story. It's a story about these haunted places.
बिल्कुल.
In India, we have a lot of haunted places.
course,
So
we
we've
do.
chosen Uttarakhand.
Yes.
And we are going there to seek, to understand, and to investigate कि क्या सच्चाई है,
Correct.
क्या सच है, क्या नहीं है, क्या ये कहानी है, क्या ये ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा हुआ, हिस्ट्री में कुछ चीज हुआ या हुई. You can go into the archived books or information and you can say, okay, इस जगह पे ब्रिटिश आए, उन्होंने ये ऐसा किया, यहाँ भूकंप आया, यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड हुई, ये लोग मरे, ये लोग को ऐसा हुआ. So we've done that research.
Correct.
But now to understand about the paranormal world, as a normal human being, there's no process.
बिल्कुल.
In the paranormal world, there's a process. There are gadgets.
Okay.
There's a methodology. There are devices.
Correct.
And there's a functioning of being to get into this. So
बिल्कुल.
all together mixed up, like all kind of combined together makes MTV Dark Scrolls special. It's very special for me. It was the first time I'm hosting.
Yes, I was coming to that.
You know, so like you can tell Aishwarya, कि मेरे लिए भी clap करे
ये
अभी,
ऐसा वाला है.
है ना? First time मैं host कर रहा हूँ.
Correct.
And I also realized that आप लोग कितने witty हो, how you guys do so many interviews day in day out, make the conversation so real and look so interested in a genuine way. So I've had great fun, but I'm also very happy that we're doing something. We're taking a leap of faith.
Correct. We are.
You know, into the world we don't know, but we are intrigued about.
Correct. But personally मुझे जानना है क्या आप believe करते हैं ये सारी चीजों में?
यार मैं सब चीजों पे बिलीव करता हूँ and paranormal world में जरूर बिलीव करता हूँ.
Okay.
More than that, मेरे हमेशा ये ख्याल रहा है कि is there life after that? Okay. I'm one of those people. I'm not worried about death.
Okay.
When I'm one of those people, I keep thinking what happens to somebody when they pass away.
Okay.
And during the show, I also realized that this question, what happens to somebody?
After that.
No, but what happens to somebody if they have an untimely death?
Okay.
If they die before their actual death,
Death time.
right?
Correct.
Like if you kill me today, so
I won't
I was
survive.
not supposed to die. What will happen to me? I know.
Correct.
You know, नहीं ये बहुत गंभीर subject है, इसको थोड़ा
It is,
धीरे-धीरे
it is
इसको you have to keep
actually.
it a little light.
Correct. Correct.
You know, it gets intense. For
Correct.
me, it used to get intense when I used to watch our Seekers. I want to share with you one of the highlights of this of MTV
Yeah,
Dark
please do.
Scroll is the Seekers. I have a strong feeling the audience is going to love them. I love them.
Okay.
For me, it was a great experience just watching them.
Correct.
The openness they had, the curiosity they had, the willingness they had. I became like during the course of the show, I became a huge admirer of their character,
Okay.
their personalities. So yeah.
Why are we calling them seekers, Bhamit?
So again, like we have to, you know, there's a positioning. You have to position, and यहाँ पे कोई fake positioning नहीं है. But we want to. So if you see, we don't call them contestants.
Okay, yeah.
We are calling them seekers.
Ji.
If you see, we are not calling them tasks. क्योंकि ये कोई task नहीं है ना.
They're investigating.
हाँ, they're investigating. And genuinely, when you'll watch the show, they are investigating. Okay. And we've come with a lot of intention. So on this show, there's a paranormal expert. Yeah. In fact, there's a paranormal society. I did not know. There's a paranormal India society. So the founder member of it, Sarbajit, who's a cool guy. If you'll see him, he's nice, very lean. He's like Ravi, like very like Bobby, very calm, cute, composed. अरे वो entities को डांट देता है यार. वो entities को डांट देता है. तो जो वो पहले तुम मैं छोटे भाई की तरह हाँ सर्वजीत प्रॉब्लम है तो बताना. ठीक है, डोंट वरी, क्या चाहिए. करेक्ट. वो entities को डांट दिया तो उसके बाद मैं घबरा गया. उससे, you know, that's. I mean, jokes apart, this is to show that how we are treating the show. True. What is our intention? There's a psychic on the show. Her name is Pooja. Correct. Pooja and Sarbajit work together. So we also have them for authenticity, correct, for them to guide us through the right process. Because we also have to understand we are not trying to just, you know, make a reality show out of it and just kind of use, because we don't want to disrespect the dead. Correct. We don't want to disrespect the entities. Bilkul. But as there is curiosity, people are going to the moon. Yeah. Human has gone to the Mars. Yes. You know, we are every day. Going places. Yeah. Yeah. Every day we are finding new things. Yeah. I think it's nice, and we have done it very respectfully. And I think there will be something for everybody. Wonderful. On this show. नाइस. बचपन से लेके अब तक ना मैं हमेशा सिर्फ राजस्थान के बारे में ऐसे सारे किस्से सुनती थी ना अबाउट हॉरर थिंग्स, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई जस्ट बीन टू उदयपुर एंड नो मोर अदर प्लेसेस इन राजस्थान. बट जैसे भी आपने उत्तराखंड मेंशन किया, आई हैव अ ट्रिप कमिंग टू उत्तराखंड एंड नाउ आई वी हैव लाइक 8-9 डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, नैनीताल, मसूरी, कसौनी, जिम कॉर्बेट एंड धनौल्टी. हाँ, ऑल ऑफ दैट. धनौल्टी इधर. हाँ. सो ये तो मैं आपको बता दूं, पहले उतरा था कुमाऊं, हाँ, गढ़वाल. ओके. फिर हो गया उत्तरांचल. ओके. अभी हो गया उत्तराखंड. हाँ. देहरादून नहीं था उसमें. ओके. सो धनौल्टी इधर है. देहरादून, मसूरी, धनौल्टी. ओके. एंड यहाँ पे आपका आता है कुमाऊं. ओके. सो यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम दिल्ली, मुरादाबाद. ओके. रामपुर. ओके. यू गो इनटू अपना जिम कॉर्बेट. जिम कॉर्बेट में एक गांव भी आता है किच्चा, वहाँ जरूर है ना, वहाँ एक गांव है बहुत अच्छा, वहाँ रहेगा. मुझे बताना, मैं वहाँ अरेंज करूँगा. वहाँ ऑर्गेनिक खाना खिलाएगा रिवर पे कोई. फिर वहाँ से जाना, पीछे का एक रास्ता आता है दानाचूली होते हुए नैनीताल. फिर नैनीताल से आपका अल्मोड़ा, कसौनी, पूरा वहाँ बहुत अमेजिंग जगह है. तो यही हमेशा हमने उत्तराखंड को देखा है, वादियाँ, खूबसूरत जगह, वहाँ भी ऐसी सारी स्पूकी चीजें होती है. ये मैंने तो पहले. इसके दो पहलू है. एक तो मैं आपको बताऊँ, मेरे गुरुजी बड़ी अच्छी चीज बोलते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि उत्तराखंड ये ऐसी जगह है जहाँ सुबह देवता जागते हैं और रात को राक्षस. ठीक है. दूसरा, सरबाजीत और पूजा और मेरी रिसर्च, एंड ये तो मुझे खुद ही. सो माउंटेन्स हैव अ electromagnetic field. Yeah. Right? We all know that. That means what is that? Energy. Correct. I did not know this. I always thought, यार एक सवाल आता है कि पहाड़ों में इतने entities क्यों होते हैं? ऐसे experiences क्यों होते हैं? So now I've realized while being on this show is that entities need energy to manifest.
Oh,
So that's why there's a lot of, so
Mhm.
wherever they get energy,
correct, correct,
they will
correct.
manifest. So, but
Absolutely.
and you get the most energy from the mountains. So not
Absolutely.
necessarily the Kumau mountains.
Uh-huh.
It can be your Shaidris also.
Uh-huh.
It can be Matharan also.
Yeah,
Mountains
yeah, yeah.
have
Correct,
electromagnetic
correct,
field. They have energy. So that's one reason. I think for our show, I think we just
Hmm.
thought because it's good to kind of finish a state.
Hmm.
So we
True.
got all these places.
Okay.
And we started with maybe the next can be Rajasthan, like you're saying.
Uh-huh.
गोवा में बहुत कहानियां हैं.
Oh yeah. मतलब ये तो बस शुरुआत है गाइस, आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या. वैसे तो अभी इन्होंने बता दिया, तो मैं हनुमान चालीसा बाय हार्ट है मेरा, जा रही हूँ मैं उत्तराखंड. लेट्स सी
So
हाउ
यहाँ
दैट
पे
गोस.
भी tricky है.
हाँ.
So हनुमान चालीसा तो it's like इससे बड़ा तो वरदान है ही नहीं.
Correct.
I just feel that it's the biggest सुरक्षा कवच.
True.
So now, but यहाँ थोड़ा technical हो जाता है MTV Dark Scroll में ना,
हाँ.
is that we are going there to investigate.
हाँ.
We want the entity to come.
हम
So
बुला
यहाँ
रहे हैं.
पे अगर आपने ये
True. हनुमान चालीसा
कर दिया
कह
तो
दिया
ये गलत हो गया ना.
चले जाएंगे वो.
चले जाएंगे.
नहीं
So-
यूज कर सकते गाइस. ठीक है, मैं पर्सनली करूंगी. लेट दीज गाइज नॉट यूज इट, बिकॉज फिर तो हम क्या देखेंगे शो में. वेल अमित, दिस इज अ पर्सनल क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव फॉर यू. इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, यू केम डाउन टू मुंबई व्हाइल यू वर जस्ट 20 years old, है ना? उसके बाद टेलीविजन किया है, बिग स्क्रीन्स कर लिए, ओटीटी कर लिया है, होस्टिंग भी कर रहे हैं. आई वांट टू नो, वाज दिस इंडस्ट्री इजी फॉर यू?
It's not about industry. I think life is not easy.
लाइफ.
And we should not expect a bed of roses. And even in roses, there's thorn. I know it's a very
Yeah, yeah,
corny
yeah,
line,
yeah.
but it is what it is. But I also feel that when you always look back or when you reminisce, you should remember the good.
Good.
Because there must have been some good with you. That's why you're here and you're doing so
absolutely.
well. Okay. There must have been some good that people would have done that have reached so far.
Yes.
If you ask me, the Amit at 20
Yeah.
or even 30 or even at 40 में 45 का हो गया यार. मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि मैं यहाँ पहुँचूंगा लाइफ में.
True.
और जो मिल गया उसके लिए थैंक यू. जो नहीं मिला है उसके लिए कल है ना.
Wow. बस यही सब सीखने मिलता है ये सब इंटरव्यू से, इसीलिए दौड़ी चली आती हूँ. Signing off, this is Nikita Bagwan with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.